Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing player 222 from Squid Game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles down, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's curve it out from the top. Then for the end, let's curve it down and in. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a circular curve down. Now to continue drawing the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Then let's add an oval inside. And color both of these in black. And then on the top left, let's draw another circle. Next, let's thicken the top of the eyes up slightly with another curve. And then let's add some eyelashes on the top corners. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's draw a small line. And then curve it out from the bottom. And then another curve out from the top. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw an angle down on both sides. Then let's bring it down to the center for the chin. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a small curve for the nose, and then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 lines down. And a curve across at the bottom. Now on both sides, let's curve it down and up. Now on both sides, let's draw a piece curving outwards. And then one more curve down on both sides. Now we're going to draw a longer piece of hair by drawing a curve down. And then curve it back up at the ends. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw 2 angles up for the top of the head. And then let's curve it down on both sides. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw the neck. And then a longer curve across underneath. Now for the collar of the jacket, let's draw an angle out on both sides. Bring it down. And a curve across. Now from both sides, let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now underneath, let's leave a gap and let's draw the sides of the body by angling it in and curving it back out. And then add a curve across at the bottom. Now at the bottom of each side, let's bring it down and another curve across. And then let's add some stripes inside. Next, let's hop back up and let's draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it down and bring it in slightly. Then let's angle it back out and curve it down. And then let's curve it back in at the bottom. Now for the ends of the sleeves, let's draw 2 lines down underneath each of the arms and a curve across. And then add some stripes inside. Now that we have the shape of the jacket, let's move in and let's draw the details. Let's start inside the collar and let's draw a line all the way down to the bottom. And then one more on each side. Now on each of the shoulders, let's draw a curve down onto the arm and back out. And then let's hop in and let's draw 2 angles near the top here. And then a rectangle on both sides near the top. Now inside the left rectangle, let's draw the letter X. And then 2, 2, 2 on the right one. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 rounded rectangles for the pockets. And that's it for the jacket. Now we can hop back up and finish drawing the hair. From the sides, let's curve it down and bring it out. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Next, let's hop down underneath each of the arms and let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve down and back up for the thumbs. Then from the outside, let's angle it out and curve it back in. And then add some curves inside for the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw a curve across. Now let's draw 2 angles down underneath. And then 2 lines down on the sides. Now underneath each of the legs, let's angle it out and back in like this. And then a curve across. Now let's hop inside each of the legs and let's draw a stripe down the sides. Now let's add 2 lines down underneath and a curve across. And add some striped lines inside. Lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the shoes. Let's start with the line down on the inside. Then for the outside, an angle. And then let's curve it out and down. And then close off the bottom of each shoe. Now inside, let's draw another curve at the bottom here. Then an angle near the top. And add some stripes across for the laces. And that's it for player 222. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!